Hi, I'm Marcel with Guaranteed Rate, and I want to talk to you for a moment about a problem that many home sellers actually have when they're going through the process thinking about selling their home and then going out and buying another home. And that's the condition of their current home. Let's say that at the time when they bought their home, they were incredible football fans. In fact, they loved the Minnesota Vikings so much that they colored their carpet purple. Now, while they may have just adored this purple carpet, it can make it a little tricky sometimes for resale. And so with that, there is an expense on pulling out carpet. Sometimes there may be other repairs that are needing to be done. Sometimes the home may be a little dated. It may need to have some paint, cabinets redone, and the like. And so now a seller may be in a position to where they have a lot of equity in the home, but they can't access that equity in order to fix up the property. So there's actually a new program out there called Marcus, and it's powered by Goldman Sachs. It's something that we can actually help clients get in touch with so that they can take out a loan of up to $40,000 in order to do some of those improvements. It is really a great way to fix up a house, put it into a condition to where it should sell at top dollar, and then the proceeds of the sale can be used to, at a client's leisure, to actually pay off that account. So if you have any questions on this or are thinking about selling your house and think it needs a little bit of touch-up work, this is a great program. Or if you're not thinking about selling a house and just want to fix your house up, this is a great option there too. In any case, I'm Marcel with Guaranteed Rate. Just give me a call, 972-672-3246, and I hope you have a good one. Thanks.